Cody's back. Grind time.
Grind time.
Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Yeah!
All right. Back at the shop. I've been quarantined for roughly 2 weeks. I'm ready to be back. And now we're gonna go see what these fools have been up to. It's been a while. I'm excited. Let's see what we got going on.
Hey, Cody! What's up? The boy is back in town.
What's up with you guys?
Dude, chilling, man. Chilling. Long day so far. Ready for a long evening.
That's
You know?
Are you feeling better?
I'm feeling a lot better. It's
Good.
been weird. Haven't held a camera in a while.
Dude, I'll tell you what. It's actually a lot more normal for you to be holding the camera. The last 2 weeks have been super odd because I've had an iPhone in my hand every time I wanted to shoot a video.
It's going to be great to have the Cody quality back. I'm sitting here filming Chris and I dropped the damn phone.
Camera, that. See, I mean, Alan just dropped that. You think Cody would have done that? That wouldn't have happened if Cody had been here. I'll tell you that right now.
I mean, that's, you know.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, do you have a stabilizer built into your arm? And if so, can we buy one of those for Alan the next time you're sick?
So, what have I missed?
You know, nothing really.
Not much, dude. Yeah, I mean, orders been going out the door. We've had a few new things that have come in, you know, order-wise, but
Nothing
I mean,
out of the
really,
norm.
yeah, nothing's really changed, man. Just same old grind time thing, you know?
Well, that's cool. Well, I guess, you know, gone for 2 weeks and nothing changes, so that makes sense with you two.
Yeah, I mean, there might be a few things that we... I mean, nothing major I can
Nothing
think
that
about.
stands out. I mean,
You know, but you know, just normal business as usual. You know what I'm saying? Having a party, printing some shirts.
Yeah, I saw you guys drinking beer and.
Oh, you keeping it real, bro. Keeping it real.
Well,
Maybe that's why nothing got.
when you
You're
got a
drinking
full-
a beer right now.
Yeah, when you got a full-time day job and they got to come here and do this, I mean, you got to like unwind a little bit to wind back up into the grind type thing. You know?
All right, well, I guess you guys want to get to it then?
Yeah, man. We might as well start. Let's do this thing.
Cool. Let's go.
Mountain Dew.
These boxes.
Man, there were a few things that came in throughout the week. Random shit where you were going.
And why is the cabinet here?
Alright, so you know what? We did move the cabinet. That was one, I forgot to tell you about that. We did, while you were gone, we decided, hey, this cabinet could be better over here, so we did move the cabinet. So that happened, for sure.
Oh.
But that was about it. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to tell you about it.
Okay, that's cool. Whiteboard's not hanging up.
No, we don't have a place for it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Where's the desk?
What?
The table was there.
You know what?
Yep.
I remember. Here's what happened. Forgot to tell you. We moved the desk. Yeah, the desk is gone. Well, there's a new desk. The other desk is cut into a bunch of pieces, and it's in there.
Yeah, it's going to be a table. 2 tables.
2 tables, yeah. So, like I said, forgot that, but yes, moved the desk. Desk is gone. So, but that's about all that changed while you were gone. So, you're caught up now.
Okay. What is this?
Oh.
You were in the way of this. What is this?
Yeah, that's
The sawgrass.
That's it, yeah. The sawgrass.
All right, so
I can't even stand anymore.
that's all new too. The stuff on the floor.
Yeah,
that's all new as well. Slipped my mind, but while you were gone, we bought a Sawgrass SG-1000 sublimation printer. You know what I'm saying? No big D or anything. You know, just probably one of the most awesome, amazing sublimation printers on the market. Yeah. You know, and there's a bypass tray for it. You know, so we can upgrade it to 13 by 19. Yeah, but
you're saying this so casually.
Dude. I mean, we honestly, I kind of forgot about it. I mean,
we're gonna do
it's a cool,
sublimation stuff
really
now.
cool thing. We just got it, but like I said, when you asked if anything had changed, I mean, I'm not thinking about the nice new printer or the bypass tray or the desk being moved and cut up or the cabinet. Yeah, it's just nothing really changed, man. And I think that's about it.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Is that actually it?
I think that's actually.
I
think that's actually it. I think that's all that changed while you were gone.
I believe you.
All right, yeah, I mean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess that must actually be it. Grind time, baby.
Grind time. Let's go.
Happy to be back. What? Alan,
What?
what is that?
Oh. Yeah.
Liar.
Well,
What
we
is he
forget.
Oh.
We got the new Vastex, face mask palette here. Yeah, I guess that's new.
So we're gonna do face masks now? I thought we already did face masks.
Well,
Yeah. I mean, we're expanding the operation, man. You
Yeah, a little
know,
bit.
some people wanted some prints on some masks. Some customers hit us up, and while you were gone, we just figured, let's get this thing in here, and we'll check it out. And but yeah, I completely forgot we got it. Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
when I came.
I guess
before,
I guess quite a few things have come in since you left. I mean,
yeah.
but
Slipping
that I've got to imagine that's it.
I feel
I
like
can't think of anything else.
I feel like I've been debated. I came on small, humble screen printing shop, and we're turning into this big monolith printing machine.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that.
It looks like we can offer a lot of things to people.
We can.
That seems like that might be too intense for me. This might be too big of an operation for me now.
Oh, you know what? Is that it? I think. Did we not get? I think we did get. Did we get something else?
Oh, we did get
did
a.
get-
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
got it. We got one or two others.
I'm fucking done. Okay, guys, my moodiness is over. I don't want to leave. I'm on board with us being a full service, do everything for our customers, and be a monolith print shop. I'm
yeah.
fine with it. I thought you said that was it.
Well.
We lied.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a
a few other
few
things.
more things. So we got this incredible
I don't even care.
Stahl's Hotronics laser system. All right, this bad boy
Laser
right here.
system?
Setting up those fine sublimination or screen print transfer images perfectly straight and centered on the palette.
Yep.
We're using lasers now?
Lasers. Friggin' lasers.
Should I make lasers?
We also got, this is another palette. We don't have, I'm going to show you this because, and I can't show you what it goes to, but it goes to something else we got that I forgot to tell you about as well.
Oh yeah.
This, it is a hat platen.
Platin?
Yeah.
Palette?
But
It's a big boy.
if you notice,
Does not
this
go
right
far. What do we
here
have?
don't fit our hat press.
So we got a new press?
We bought a Hotronic cap press.
You got me a press?
Got you a new press, buddy.
Oh, that's exciting.
Oh, so this guy from Stahl's right here will allow us to do some larger images on our new Hotronics cap press that is on the way.
Yeah, this thing's
So-
pretty big.
Yeah. That's the oversized
New era,
one.
like oversized
So
new era.
It comes with mine, I guess.
But we got some cool new shit, man. So, welcome back.
Okay, well,
We gotta clean this place up, though. We did make
did
sure
trash
to
it.
save that
for when,
for
I get
when
here.
you got back. Grind time.
This was the giant desk that was in the room, so we cut the center out of it, and we
With
decided.
this.
Yeah, with hand.
No, you fucking use that? Don't you have like an arsenal of like stuff in here?
Yeah.
Why did you use that?
Well, how are you gonna pick this table up and put it on one of these things? We can't do
There's
that.
not like a handsaw or a
believe it or not, out of all these,
There is
things-
a handsaw. This right here.
And there's video
is
of
the
this?
saw.
Yeah, I don't know if
Alright.
you got it yet or not, but yeah, there's video of it.
Okay.
On this one, so now we have two things, and we got casters for both of them. So we're gonna be able to wheel these around. So we'll have like your regular press on one, we'll have like the hat press on the other, and we could literally like move them around anywhere we want. So that's also why the room's a wreck, because we got to get these finished. And
And I
Get 'em in
sawed them up with this, and it made a huge mess. I need a shop vac. There's stuff to do today, so you picked a good day to come back.
Oh shit. Okay.
Didn't mean to let it drop, that's for sure. Making things happen. You ready to open up some new stuff?
Yeah.
I am.
Let's open some new stuff.
Let's get this table. Oh, Ellen did a good job on the floors now, huh? I have to have him vacuum more often. Alright, so like I said, we got this Stahl's Hotronics system for our new cat press that's on the way. Really excited to set up this laser system. This will allow us to kind of set it next to the actual press itself and then actually line the design up by the lasers to where it won't take as much careful kind of eyeballing. It's literally line it up with the lasers, tape it down with your heat transfer tape, press that bad boy, and you're ready to go. So we're gonna unbox this thing, check it out a little bit. I'm really excited about it, so we'll go ahead and break this thing open. Kind of what the system looks like, just right off rip for you, you know, a little, you know, you can adjust these guys to get wherever you want that print. This is that laser alignment wizard. Woo, buddy.
This thing looks crazy.
Boom, look at this bad bitty.
Oh, that's your actual lasers.
Laser beams.
Oh, okay.
Attaches onto here, and then these guys go back here to connect in.
Let me grab that.
And it's good to go. Oh, buddy. Woo! Laser. I mean, I can set this hammer here. Let me see that. I can
you can set it back way farther.
Yeah, just work your way across.
Yeah.
We're having a few issues. This thing was manufactured in February of 2015, so it's been hanging out on a shelf for a minute. One of the lasers is not turning on, but we're going to contact Stalls and Hotronics and Heat Press Nation and see what we can figure out, and I'm sure they're going to be super cool about it. So we are pretty pumped about this thing. A little unfortunate that we're having a slight issue right off the rip, but it's going to be super tight when it's all said and done, and we know that they're going to make it right. So big ups on the Stalls thing. The concept of this thing seems great. We just got to get it working.
Just hit that. See how that comes out. Yeah, I mean, that right there is pretty good, dude. I'm not going to lie. I mean, that's... Melody's not taking it.
Hey, well, happy Monday. Yeah, I guess that's going to wrap up this evening. Cody, I think that... Did we finally tell you about everything?
I think we finally.
Was there anything else that you noticed was different?
Yeah, I don't notice.
Is that a trick question?
Maybe.
I did forget to tell you that I cut all of my hair and my beard off.
No, I noticed that immediately.
So that happened.
I got a haircut.
You did. It looks good. Looks
Thank
good.
you. Alexis did it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Turned out well.
Till the next time,
Wash screens.
Cody's back. Grind time.
Grind time.
Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Grind time. Yeah!